Today, we are talking about a topic that affects millions of people around the world: joint pain in the elderly. If you or your loved ones are experiencing aching knees, stiff shoulders, or sore fingers, you are not alone. Joint pain is one of the most common problems faced by seniors, but the good news is there are ways to manage it and even improve your quality of life. In this video, we'll discuss the main causes of joint pain in older adults, common symptoms, and when to seek medical help, natural remedies, and medical treatments, and habits that can bring relief. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. As we age, our bodies naturally go through changes. Our joints, which allow us to move freely, begin to wear down over time. Joint pain refers to any discomfort, aches, or soreness in the joints, places where two bones meet, like your knees, hips, shoulders, or fingers. One of the most common causes is osteoarthritis. This happens when the cartilage that cushions the ends of your bone wears down over time, leading to pain, swelling, and stiffness, especially in weight bearing joints like the knees, hips, and lower back. Then there's rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune disease where the body's immune system attacks the joints, causing inflammation and pain. It can affect multiple joints and may come with fatigue and fever. Another culprit is gout, a type of arthritis caused by a buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints. It causes sudden, severe attacks of pain, swelling, and redness, often starting in the big toe. Some seniors may suffer from bursitis, which happens when the small fluid filled sacs that cushion your joints become inflamed, leading to pain in areas like the shoulders, elbows, or hips. Previous injuries or overuse can also lead to chronic joint pain. Maybe you had a knee injury years ago, or a repetitive motion from work or sports. These things can catch up with you in later years. Ironically, being too inactive can also contribute to stiffness. Our joints need movement to stay lubricated. Without it, they become tight and painful. And we can't forget that obesity plays a big role. Carrying extra adds pressure to the joints, especially in the lower body, which can speed up cartilage breakdown. Now, how do you know if your joint pain needs more attention? You might feel stiffness, especially after waking up or sitting for a long time. Swelling around the joint is common, and you might hear a clicking or grinding noise when you move it. Some joints might be red or warm to the touch. You may have difficulty in walking, bending, or even performing simple daily tasks. If your pain worsens with activity but improves with rest, it could be a sign of something chronic. If your joint pain is sudden, severe, or doesn't improve after a few weeks, it's best to see a doctor. It might be a sign of an underlying condition that needs treatment. Let's now talk about what you can do to relieve joint pain naturally. Staying active is one of the best things you can do. Gentle, regular exercise keeps your joints flexible and your muscles strong. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling are excellent. Try to avoid high impact sports that can strain your joints. Heat and cold therapy also help. Applying heat like a warm towel or heating pad relaxes muscles and boosts blood flow. Cold packs can reduce inflammation and numb sharp pain. Alternating between the two can be especially effective. Your diet matters too. A healthy, anti inflammatory diet can reduce pain. Load up on foods like fatty fish, berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Avoid processed foods, sugary treats, and too much red meat, which can trigger inflammation. If you are carrying extra weight, even a small amount of weight loss can relieve pressure on your joints. Every extra pound you carry adds nearly 4 pounds of pressure on your knees. So, shedding even 5 or 10 pounds can make a big difference. Some supplements may help ease joint pain, including glucosamine and chondroitin, turmeric, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium. But always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Massage therapy can help too. A good massage improves circulation, reduces stiffness, and relaxes tight muscles. Even self-massage techniques done at home can be beneficial. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water keeps your cartilage soft and your joints lubricated. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day. In some cases, natural remedies might not be enough. Over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen or naproxen can help reduce inflammation and relieve pain. For more severe cases, doctors may prescribe stronger medications or corticosteroids. People with autoimmune arthritis might need disease modifying drugs to slow down joint damage. Corticosteroid injections directly into the joint can offer relief that lasts for weeks or months. Another option is acid injections, which help lubricate the joint. Physical therapy can be extremely helpful too. A trained therapist can guide you through exercises that strengthen the muscles around your joints and improve flexibility. Sometimes using assistive devices like canes, walkers, or orthopedic shoes can reduce strain and make movement easier. And in severe cases where joints are badly damaged, joint replacement surgery like a knee or hip replacement can dramatically improve mobility and reduce pain. Now, let's talk about daily habits that can make a big difference. Start your day with a light stretch. It helps loosen up stiff joints and gets your blood flowing. Use furniture and tools that support good posture and reduce strain. Ergonomic chairs, kitchen tools with padded grips, or even voice activated devices to reduce physical effort. Choose comfortable shoes with good arch support. Avoid heels or flat sandals without cushion. Try not to sit or stand for too long. Change positions frequently. Take walking breaks and stretch throughout the day. Sleep is important too. Your body heals while you sleep. So make sure you get enough restful sleep every night. Track your symptoms. Keep a journal of what triggers your pain and what helps. And don't underestimate the power of support. Join a group or community where you can share your experiences and learn from others. Living with joint pain can be tough, but it doesn't mean giving up your comfort or independence. With the right knowledge, habits, and support, you can still lead an active, joyful life. Stay connected, stay moving, and stay positive. Whether it's a gentle walk in the park, some light gardening, or playing with your grandkids, Every bit of movement helps. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with your body and celebrate every small win along the way. You deserve to feel better and live fully. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you understand joint pain better, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Leave a comment below if you have questions or want to share your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on health, wellness, and senior care. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.